Namaste. I am Dr. Romsha Sir Kanungo. I am a pathologist. I teach pathology to dental students at Modern Dental College, INDORE. And I am in charge of the blood bank of Red Cross Society of India, INDORE branch, and a Garbh Sanskar specialist, and a mom of 2 growing boys and a lot to handle. I've been going through my menopause of late. I am 48-year-old, and there has been a meniscal injury in my right knee. So I know Dr. Mahesh Sahu because of that injury. Somebody suggested me that if anybody can heal that, then it is Mahesh Sahu. But today he did some magic for me, because of which I am saying out this testimonial, that he did something called as Reaset for me, which I did not understand at all. First of all, I thought it was going to be a few manipulations and things like that, but it was nothing. It was all feather touch, very light. But when he was doing, after a while, I could feel the flow of energy through my spine. And after he finished, the first thing which I noticed was that my knee pain was gone, completely zero, without any instruments or manipulation or anything. The second thing, after a while, which I observed, that I was feeling much light. I was feeling at peace with myself. Then after a little while, I felt hungry after a long time, because I have not been feeling hungry. I was constipated, and I don't know what all I've been carrying all through this time. But the next thing which I observed with myself, that I've been smiling at strangers for no reason. And then there was some financial glitch which came on the way, some massive financial glitch, but I handled it beautifully. Then I went to my music class, and my teacher complimented me that I am totally in sync. मैं बहुत सुर में हूँ आज, क्या बात है. I was complimented in this way, and after this whole busy day, I could still manage to make pancakes for my kids, and now I'm going to tuck them for bed. And I'm very grateful to Dr. Mahesh Sahu for introducing me to this wonderful way of therapy. I'm extremely grateful. I cannot say thanks enough. Thank you so much.